Feeling frustrated about vagina odor? Actually, our vagina has its own cleaning mechanism. Overwashing is not the correct solution and may lead to more problems. Let's dive into this topic today.
Many women might feel uneasy and embarrassed about the secretions and odor in their intimate areas, thinking that a woman's body should have a fragrant, feminine scent. Therefore, during shower, many women may excessively clean the inside of the private area. Many different types of vaginal cleansers, sprays, and other products have been introduced to the market. However, do you know that excessive cleaning of the private area can have a negative impact? In fact, even the cleanest vagina will have a slight odor, which is totally normal. These odors can change over time. For example, after exercising, the vagina may emit a stronger, musky scent. The vagina itself has a self-cleaning function, and natural mucus secretion is the most effective way of cleaning, as it helps to remove menstrual blood, semen, and other secretions. Therefore, using vaginal douches is unnecessary and may even lead to various vaginal health problems. Since the vagina contains different bacteria which contribute to maintaining a pH value between 4 to 4.5, forming an acidic environment helps to reduce the invasion of harmful bacteria and prevents the growth of fungi. Excessive cleaning may disrupt the good bacteria, leading to itching, inflammation, and increased discharge. The methods for cleaning the intimate area are simple. Avoid excessive rubbing. The intimate area is delicate, and excessive rubbing or using cleaning tools may injure the intimate area, increasing the risk of infection. Use warm water for cleaning. Avoid using excessively hot water to clean the intimate area, and do not use strong water jet to wash the vagina vigorously to avoid disrupting the vaginal flora and increasing the pH value. Avoid excessive use of vaginal cleansing products. Soaps, wipes, and cleansers may contain chemicals that irritate vaginal tissues. These products may disrupt the pH balance of the vagina, making it more susceptible to infection. In addition to keeping the intimate area clean, regular care can also help protect it. Drink plenty of water. When the vagina is too dry or when bacteria proliferate due to changes in pH value, it is easy for the bacteria to enter the urethra, leading to vaginal infections. However, urination helps flush these bacteria out of the body, reducing the risk of inflammation and infection. Wear loose, breathable cotton underwear. Tight clothing can cause the intimate area to become damp and hot, affecting the balance of vaginal flora and causing vaginal infections. Maintain a healthy sleep routine. Regularly staying up late can lower the immune system, making the intimate area prone to repeated inflammation. While maintaining hygiene is essential, remember that excessive cleaning of the intimate area has more drawbacks than benefits. If you have any concerns about vaginal odor or experiencing other symptoms, it is best to consult with your doctor. They can accurately diagnose any potential issues and recommend appropriate treatment.